Here is a super healthy and protein rich sprout paneer salad, perfect for weight loss, muscle gain, or even as a light dinner. So let's get started. I've taken about 3/4 cup of green moong dal sprouted for 2 days. Now we'll steam the sprouts for about 7 to 8 minutes until they turn soft but still crunchy. This makes them easier to digest and keeps all the nutrition intact. Once done, take the steamed sprouts in a mixing bowl. Now let's add freshness and colors. First goes in some grated carrot, then yellow and green bell peppers for vitamin C, a bit of onion for crunch, juicy tomatoes, and some red bell pepper for antioxidants. Next, add cucumber slices and a handful of spring onions. For a little spice, I'm adding green chili. Finally, some soft paneer cubes. This is the main protein boost of our salad, making it perfect for post-workout or as a high-energy snack. Time for flavors. Half teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon black pepper, juice of 1 lemon, and half teaspoon roasted cumin powder. These not only add taste but also improve digestion. And the best part is, this salad keeps you full for long hours without feeling heavy. On top, add some pomegranate pearls. They give natural sweetness, boost immunity, and make the salad extra tasty. A drizzle of sweet chili hot sauce for the tangy kick, and now just mix everything really well. See how fresh this looks. It's a perfect balance of protein, fiber, and taste, and it looks so colorful and tasty. Our high protein sprout paneer salad is ready. It's quick, tasty, and super nutritious. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes. We keep sharing more healthy recipes and easy recipes on our channel. You can also check out the other high protein meals in our playlist. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.